been living wrong. I know I've been blessed. I had 1,000 chances. How many left? I've been sinning lately. What do you suggest? I want 999 more Hail Marys right now. I want 999 more Hail Marys right now. Hail Marys right now. I want 999 more Hail Marys right now. Hail Marys right now. But don't try to turn that number upside down. There's no chance in hell that I'll make it to heaven. The deadliest sins I committed, all 7. Gluttony, lust, envy, and greed. I done them all.
Before getting 3,
I was gonna get to them. You just helped demonstrate how impossible repentance would be. I don't think that I'm worthy of forgiveness. I think that I'm already sentenced. How is it that I commit all the sins that I do and see no consequences?